Well, this is good news. I wasn't expecting to get this window crank until Monday, and here it is today. That means I can slip this into there, put this door back together, and other than I ordered one of these for the other side, that's the only part I'm left waiting for now. I stuck this one on temporarily, but oh boy, I can stick this on and then I'll have most of my work done here. That's gonna be awesome. Let me go get me a little something to get my little bench to sit on, and I'll get to work. I'll get right on that. Oh, the joy. I think I'm gonna squirt a little oil on that right there. One of those jobs where you need a few extra hands. I might could wedge that window up so I wouldn't have to hold it. I used a little piece of oak wedge, hopefully to hold that window up there. Last thing I want to do is break that window. That would be, oh, and down she came. Yeah, we can't afford to break the window. Maybe if I took it all the way down. It don't stop. It keeps going. It might be okay. Yeah. Try that. I can just let it ease itself down until it stops. That might allow me to get my hand up in here. Yeah, let's see, that's gonna be the trick right there. Okay. So, I don't know if you saw what I did or not, but I put the window all the way down. Then I was able to slip this behind that little bar right there, and then come up to here with it, which is where it's going to attach at. Alright, now I should be able to, let's see, it'll work, because I might need to get that in there before I can do that. Okay, take it back. Let's take all of them loose except one. Let's see, I'm going to have to leave that bottom one right there. Give me a little more reach. Take this one out. Can't do that, can I? I think I have to do that. So I should be able to, with that one there. I think what I can do is take this screw here out now, because that handle will hold it in place. Let's see if that works. And then I can kind of move this far enough back to get under the back of that little track there and slide that in. Yeah, like that. Now that that's back in there, I can use the handle to pull it back out, roughly hold it in place while I get this bolt in here. Once I get that one in there and the others, we'll be home clear. Put this one right here. somewhere. And now I can take this, tighten these up, put them right back. I really want to put them right back where they were. If I lift that window up, see, that lines it up pretty good. Now, all the way up, all the way down. So, good. Now I can put the door handle back on, and I can take this handle off. And then we'll put the, I say the door handle, I gotta put the metal, what am I trying to say, the cover, the panel, door panel. I'll put the panel on there. And I gotta put this back on it if I can. This is that paper piece. We talked about this when I pulled it off. Stick it back on. This may be and then the door panel right over that. This door handle has little things that slip into place. I don't know if it's worthwhile to try to keep this piece of paper since it's so kind of far gone. Try it once more time. If it falls off again, I may just leave it off. I'm going to stick the door handle back over here to hold that in place. I'm going to line it up with the door handle on the other side. And then I'm going to need this little piece right in here, which is the operates the door handle. See this piece right here. And then I'm going to put the armrest back on. Now this thing had these bolts in it, and I had set up my thing to work them. And I was thinking I wanted to replace them with screws. I think I'm going to go and get some screws. I think I got some about that size. Alright, let's see if we can get these in there. See, this time I'm putting these Phillips head screws in there so that the next time a mechanic comes at this door, you won't have to fight to get that off. That should do the trick right there. You're supposed to be able to reach up in here, see with the Phillips head, and get a hold of that. That way you can start it right in the hole. Good. Now this thing has some edges that are hanging out like this. I think I might shoot a couple of Tech screws, one here and one there. And yeah, I think it won't be a bad thing to do. I will get what I need for that. If I get the alignment right, hopefully I can shoot a screw right into that. That's pretty good. All right, let's get all our stuff out of here. And then I think I'll take it for a ride and check the transmission fluid. Oh, I was going to put some screws up in that dash there too. Go ahead and get that out of the way. Oh, that's perfect. All right. You know what? I think that's everything except for that light that I'm waiting for. I'll probably take this back there, and I got all his old parts in here. I might take this back there and throw them out because I'm pretty sure he's not going to want to save them. I can throw them in the metal pile. And, yeah, get rid of them that way. All right, I think that's it for the day. Okay.